Oh god, that's funny. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, what's good with FX? What's popping? It's been a minute. Hopefully the audio's a little better. I'm using AirPods, and I also added noise suppression filter. So hopefully it's good, decent audio. I don't even know if the noise suppression is working. We good over here? Alright, bet. Cool. The audio's manageable? Okay. Alright, man. I will get a nice mic soon. Or when I go back to Canada, I'll have a nice mic. What's the bias? On higher time frame, like the order flow seems very bullish. I think we could temporarily be a little bearish just based off SMTs. But I do believe, like since we have a 90-minute low sequential SMT right now, previously, right here, see this down here, that this could be enough to invalidate the SMTs on the highs, possibly because how close we are, riding up on the previous day high, previous month high. If it just gets traded through, then I believe we continue higher, right? We are close. We have like wicked. We have wicked it before, right? Just no body closure, so we're close. So I do believe it's possible, but temporarily, especially with displacement, a little more bearish, but a higher time frame bullish. So I want to wait. I do want to wait. So it's a little iffy right now, I'd say. Until we have invalidation or new SMTs created, everything's a little iffy, right? Trump's also apparently speaking at 10 today. I want to follow the news, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Right, so you really want to see how price plays out. Right? Sharply wait. Yeah, it's usually. I mean, you've tuned into enough streams. It's usually the plan most of the time. Yo, what's good talk? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Welcome, welcome. This is your S&T indicator. What's the name? I posted it in the Discord. In questions. Scroll up in the questions chat, and you'll see it. Because you're not going to be able to find it. You have to use a link. You have to use like a private link. You can't just like search it up on TV, I'm pretty sure. It's called time-based liquidity. But I have a link in the Discord. Maybe I should pin it. Should I pin it? I can't join Discord. It's not saying it. It's not from my region. Okay, let me see if I can grab it for you. I just copy the whole message. I'll just give you. I can just give you a link. So it's made by a good friend named Jake, or Global Jake. He stops by in the chat once in a while, but you can still like donate to him. There's a donation link, but you don't have to pay to use it. There's a link below it. But I would recommend, like, even if you can't pay, then I recommend like just either shooting him a message, showing your appreciation, or keeping an eye on his work, because he does. I don't know, he's a computer genius, so he does great stuff for fun. So yeah. Default settings. Do I use default settings? I don't remember. These are my settings. Most of them are default settings. I don't think I changed anything actually, but you can play this stream back or take a screenshot. I'm pretty sure I didn't change anything though. So I think there's one color that was like hard to see. I think it was the yellow, and I changed it because it was pretty hard to see with my background. So. But yeah, feel free to show some support, some love to Jake. He's the GOAT. That's amazing. If it invalidates this 90-minute low, it's enough for me to see kind of lower prices. But like, well, I'll have to see if price can close below and then respect it as well, right? Because 930 can just whip your neck backwards a little, especially with the recent 930s too, right? Let me know if the music's too loud too. Let me adjust it right now. What the heck? Oh, that's annoying. They said yeah, exactly. SSMT filters SMT. That's why I pretty much just use it. SSMTs. Because there's no point in using normal SMTs for me. Sometimes, maybe on the higher time frame, but still not really. I mean, if you watch Ethan or me, we're already implementing it, so right. Just pure focus on uh, time base. And not a great closure. Where's my brother? Where's Ethan? Is that what you're asking? I believe he's privately streaming right now, but I do believe he's going to do like public streams again soon or release content. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I thought maybe he just came back too from Asia, so I'll see um, if you're in the Discord, you can feel free to ask him. If not, oh wait, you're not in Discord. I can shoot him a message. But yeah, he hasn't been doing public streams for a little bit, but I'm sure he's gonna kick it back off. And if not, he'll definitely be creating content or uploading things on Discord or anything. Hopefully, you can find a way to connect to Discord, either that being like a VPN or something. Uh, I currently use a VPN. Uh, in Asia, I pay like $8 Canadian for 1 month, so it's pretty worth. Not sponsored. It's called the Movad. That's the one I use. I was introduced by Keith, if you guys know who Keith is, but yeah. I feel like a VPN is good anyways. Like even if you're not trying to get into Discord, it's just good to have. You can change locations. If you use, I don't know if you use Netflix or things like that, or streaming services. If you change your location, you can watch different things, get access to different things. Um, I just might make a previous session low sequential something. If this creates a previous session low S&P, you're gonna have a 15 and 5 S&P at the lows, which would look pretty good for higher prices. We shall see. Looks like YM was pretty good to short. I feel like it's been like that the last like week too, though, to be honest. 2 minutes for equities open. I trust YM metal. Yeah, I don't usually trade YM at all, so but I have like kept an eye on it. I was like, the days that I don't trade it, it goes. The days that I do trade it, it's the one that friggin' creates SMTs to support or like just chops around or something, right? So I'm just sticking to one or two, like probably ES or NQ. Most part, probably just NQ, just because it's just such a headache. It's such a headache. This is what I want to see for lower prices. If it can close like this. If it can close like this. And if YM doesn't tap previous session low before 9:30. Oh wait, this is actually low risk short. That's what it was. Sorry, I totally forgot. I literally like took it and then got off, so I forgot. Uh, Something along lines like this is like something like that. And it's not that good of a closure for 9:30, so I don't have high hopes for this. But I'm low risk, so I really do not have high hopes for this. Not anymore, at least. Let's keep waiting until look for longs. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Because look at YM, bro. YM was the one with the short run. Looks like YM's able to create this. Some seconds. Yeah, not super high hopes for this. That's okay. Look at YM. Just freaking dunking. YM was actually the one, huh? Man, YM so juicy, man. ES and Q both struggling to drop. What's good, Icon? What's good? What's good? The struggle is real, guys. And when I'm just tabs previous session low. Okay. Yeah, that's not great. YM is just getting squeezed. Do we eventually we didn't even have invalidation of the 90-minute low before 9:30. It does look like it's gonna, but that was pretty gross. It's really struggling to displace past swing points, which is exactly what you do not want to see. I want to see closure below all these wicks and below 90-minute low if we continue. I'm gonna need to see some speed here. Speed would be very ideal. But I know we don't live in an ideal world, so we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Speed, please, sir. That's a pretty horrible look at this, bro. Not an not ideal PA, and look at YM. Blech, disgusting, but whatever. Would it be decent 5-minute closure? Invalidated all the 90-minute lows, but keep in mind YM has swept previous session low already. On the 5-minute, you'd want to see a gap created through previous 90-minute low. So we did not get rid of the ideal. So I mean, it could still go lower, but it just looks awful. Like I have to say, it looks awful. So I just keep that in mind. Let's zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Do we even tap a 4-hour gap? Nope, we didn't. There is no 4-hour gap. Oops. No ideal PA. That's why I took low risk. We have you on shorts, and that's a limit order. I'm on a low risk short. All right. What does DC stand for? I actually forgot it. I used to think it was death candle. Down closed. His life is peaceful. Yeah, it's pretty peaceful. I mean, look at this PA. It's not like we're erupting or anything. An uproar. Not much of an uproar, PA. It looks like we're chopping back up. Let's see, we don't even have a previous 90 minute. Let's see. Oh, look at YM. Yo, YM's always the one, huh? YM's just him recently. He's just the guy. Hold on, nothing going on. For me, it honestly does not make sense for price to completely flip yet, but it's possible. Oh, actually, no. Now I see why I might be creating this previous session low, and then I can see it completely flip. Yeah, nah, then I can see it for sure. NQ is struggling. Everything is struggling except for YM. YM never struggles apparently. YM's the goat. Yeah, let me change this. So now I'll be waiting for, what time is it now? 10 a.m. right? 10 a.m. Yeah, I'm still looking for this stuff. Actually, 90 minute on the low already got validation. I would look for another opportunity if there was a 90 minute on the high, so I'm gonna keep that there. For a second, looking for another opportunity, I would need a minute cycle on the highs, right? Looking for previous session low, right? But it's not looking promising for lower prices right now. So I would honestly if there's a 15 minute change state delivery, I would flip. Why is I can't make this smaller, man? I can't make this smaller. Oh, that's why. I figured that. Okay, guys, I'm a technology genius. It looks like it's about to be a flipperino. Why don't you trade YM if it's always moving? I mean, it's only been moving the last 3 days. I haven't looked at the market, to be honest. So it's not always. It's just recently. So that's why. I mentioned it. The only thing I don't like about this is that there's no 90 minute low sequential SMT that could support it. Because that would definitely be nice. Sorry, that water. Yeah, man. I've been dehydrated as heck. I'm not completely interested in flipping it until I have more confirmation, right? So like probably closure above this wick, closure above this candle wick, creating the order block. That'd be the 5 minute change of state, but there's no 5 minute sequential S&P as well, right? That's what makes me so iffy about it, but it's very possible because we have a previous session low sequential S&P. But so far, it's just looking ugly. Look at YM go, man. Oh. So sad. Be free, YM, be free. Spread your wings. It's Asia. No Asian. Looks like we might just be chopping iron. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just might move my stops to break even. This kind of rate. Actually, I'm just gonna let it go. That's why I took a reduced risk anyways, so I can just let it play. I'm gonna fall asleep, bro. Look at YM soar. Spread your wings, YM. Be free. And Q's going higher. Yes is like in the middle of undecided land. My goodness. Sleeper stream. I'm probably gonna end stream at 10:30 today. We'll see what 10 does, and then probably call it a day there. I think I might just, with this kind of PA, if I get stopped out of this might just be straight up just one bullet today. Not even more than one bullet. If it continues to be this poo-poo. Let me check my Discord. Let's see if anyone posted anything. Oh, Ethan on that ESL2. Oh my goodness. Hey man, called it out, brother. Yes, sir. The mentor. It feels good when I'm aligning with Ethan. But we'll see. We'll see how price goes. We love decoupled markets. Yes. Oh my goodness, we love low probability. It's so fun. This is so exciting. Look at how smooth the markets are going. Wow, look at that. Invisible displacement. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that invisible displacement is so lit. All right. I see, as highlighted earlier, would like to see previous session low SMS contra SMTs invalidated if we are going lower. Let's see if we can get that. I'm pretty sure if I traded NQ, I would have been stopped up already, but we'll see if this is the case. We would need some speed past this wick low and these previous lows right here. Let's see. You got 5 minutes, brother. 5 minutes. That is a mid closure for a 5 minute candle, but that's okay. Mid closure. I don't like how you used to create a wick at the top, but hey, can't ask for too much. Your reason for the short, there is previous month high sequential S&P, previous day high, 15-minute, and there was a 5-minute at the time I entered. So you see previous session high here. So it's just a bunch of stacked SMTs, pretty much. And there was, I think there was, wait, am I tripping? I'm not tripping, see. So the other 5-minute was here. Boom. This gets closed above. Boom. This does not get closed over. See? No body closure. But it's still kind of iffy. Like, look at this PA. It's always, that's why I low risked it. Oh my goodness. This hourly closure is not really what you want to see, to be honest. But it is creating a gap. I will say that is nice. But is this gap gonna hold? Look at YM, bro. I mean, YM's so clean. Alright, I need to stop yapping about YM. It's fine. It's whatever. I get stopped. I'm down 1 hour, and I'm probably gonna be done for the day. That's another, actually, no, I'll probably be done for the day regardless. I was like, unless another clean setup shows up. But even so, like, this kind of PA just mentally fatigues me. And I won't be surprised if it mentally fatigues most people. Long, short, long, short. You know, you're just going for everything. I'd like to see closure below this wick, but at this point, it's kind of, you know, kind of hard. Gap. Hourly gap still intact. That'd be ideal. It'd take out this no wick high. Yes. I'm very much not a fan of this. There's no fun in S&T. What's price gonna do? Alright, that's not really the hourly closure I'd like to see. I will see in 20 seconds, but where's the lo-fi music? Oh, can you guys not hear it? Let me turn it up. Alright, this is exactly not the closure I really want to see. At least it create a gap on the hourly, but uh, look at this freaking 5 minute candle. Pretty horrendous. I'm just gonna hold to this idea because my higher time frame aligns with it, um, and I'm low risk as well. So this is like wait for previous 90-minute high and key. Maybe we'll look to enter. Yeah, that could present an opportunity. It's mentioned here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get cooked here. Yeah, I don't like the previous session low too. PA might be ranging for CPI tomorrow. That's very possible as well. I can totally see that. Why you gotta be ahead of everyone and then create SMTs for higher prices, man? The betrayal. The betrayal. We did tap an hourly gap, but I think YM is cleaner as it never went all-time high. Yeah. All-time high is always inconsistent. Yeah, I do believe that. And if our market is truly bullish, I think YM would be pretty good to long if we get a long opportunity because it hasn't hit all-time highs yet. Yo, Jason, it's been too long, bro. Thank you. You know I'd be kawaii up in here. Sorry, I think that's like against the terms of conditions or something. I can't be doing that. Oh, bro, just gonna. Oh yeah, you're usually Dominican Republic, or you're at some sort of like friggin' beach area. Oh, okay, bet. Yo, I remember, bro. I remember. Come on now. Don't play with me. I'm a Jason fan, bro. After I come back, I'm a certain bet. I'm down to just hop on call too, or whatever you want to do, bro. I'll just follow your signals, give away your content for free. That's roast that guy again. I think actually no, he does come in here once in a while, and Sinclair. He's actually like he's actually getting more consistent, which is crazy. I mean, I don't mean crazy in a bad way, but like it's good, considering how far he's. But I think he's still. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure he's just rage baiting. I guess a rage baiter. My goodness, is in the move. Yo, send some pics from the Dominican Republic, bro. You'll probably send in your Discord, right? From what he says, yeah, we'll see. He's never gonna make it out of the trenches of New York. Yeah, he's just tilting on the side. What is some dog water PA? Oh, you're about to miss CPI, bro. You're about to miss the biggest trade of your freaking life. You gotta freaking cancel that flight. Oh, never. Yeah, I'm flying out Wednesday too. Actually, I'm going to Australia, but I'm not gonna trade in Australia, bro. Equities open is at 12:30 a.m. in Australia. I'll be cooked. It's fun. Trading, yes sir. Bro, on the beach, bro. You gotta catch a. You gotta film it, bro. Screen record. You hitting like a trade while you're on the beach sipping on a coconut or something. Oh, but yeah, milk it, bro. You gotta let that. Oh, that's true. That's kind of who gonna carry the boats type shit. I am. I'm gonna carry the boats. Oh my goodness. TP will get some. Getting some what, bro? Getting some coconut? What are you talking about, bro? Getting some what? Pause, bro. Yeah, what's your bias, Jason? Please tell me your bias is short on ES. That'll be the only thing that'll make me happy. Oh, it's so done. It's so done, son. It's over. You're shorts right now. I think we're getting cooked. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's gonna give me an aneurysm. But Loki, I'm gonna hold, and like even well for me it's gonna be overnight, so I'm just gonna hold overnight, and then see if I get cooked when I wake up. That'll be the first thing I check when I wake up. Oh my goodness, it's so boring. Enough to make a grown mad man cry. Yeah, enough to make a grown man piss himself, bro. This shit's horrible. Like, who decided this would be the PA today, bro? Ain't my PA, bro. Okay. Oh, I stream it like, bro. If price keeps moving like this, I'm about to stream like right now, bro. I'm about to crash out. I'm just kidding. I don't encourage crashing out, guys. Yo, why there gotta be SMT on the highs and lows, bro? We're just sitting pretty in the middle. It's our fault for trading too. All right, thanks, bro. Crash out for me. No, you gotta believe, bro. That's what they like to that's what you like to think, bro. He's just a retail trader, bro. Retail trader mindset. They're like, oh, before CPI, it's gonna expand, bro. It's about to go. About to go. Expand both days. You know what I'm saying? People are like, oh, before CPI, never be timbers. Psych. Oh, it's so over, bro. What is this? Oh, it's so cooked. Create a nice little order block, tap back into it, perfectly respect it, and go back up. Oh my. Never been more over. I'm back in Canada now. I'm gonna go back to Canada in like October. I'm going to Australia on Wednesday, and then September I'm probably going to go to Vietnam, and then October I'll make my way back. It's kind of the plan. Oh, it's so over. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got Belize. As wine continues to go lower, yo, wine was actually so good to short. Oh my goodness. Peaky freaking wine, bro. Hey, where are you heading to in Vietnam? I'm going to have like the vacation in uh, what's it called? Vietnam. I need to look at the map, bro. This is a little embarrassing. Just bear with me here. It's like a vacation island spot. Oh, it's like Phu Quoc, I think. It's like an island. Yeah, island vacation spot. I'm not going to like Hanoi or anything. Just trading my stops. And kill literally dump right now before taking me out. Yeah, actually. Do we have equal high with Asia session high, London session high? No, I don't think so. Yo, look at why. Oh my god, this is pissing me off. Now you're making me really angry. I hope people don't hear me. Now I'm really angry. Unleash the beast. Oh. 5 minute wick sequential SMT, possibly. Bro, look at YN, bro. Not even that. Yes, sir. Yeah, for Quack, right? Yeah. Devin, exactly. That's the plan right now. We haven't booked tickets yet, but honestly, tickets from Hong Kong are so cheap right now, so might be the move. Oh my goodness. What a freaking roller coaster of emotions this PA is. This PA looks like straight cheeks, I'll be honest. Cheeks, brother, cheeks. $10 for the closure. Ideally, if you want everything to flip, which is kind of crazy to say, but you'd want a closure below these two, right? If you can get that. And then for ES, you want the same thing. Yeah. Same spot. And YM here. Alright, it would actually be this candle technically, but if they just create order blocks in tandem, it's just nice. Definitely helps the case. Oh my goodness. This better be some support and resistance trades, man. This is a very bad closure for the 90-minute. I wouldn't want to see that. Hourly looks fine still. Look, prices. Is the hourly book invalidated? Where is my... There it is. Okay, it's any Q that actually can't take this high, or else it invalidates the previous day high. Wow. I don't know what just happened there, but we just got like a giga candle upwards. Alright, I think we're cooked now. After that, I thought we had some hope for lower, and we just freaking shot up. I think it can go slightly bit higher. This could be a 15, 5-minute squinch S&T on the highs. But honestly, at this point, in this time of day, it's not even that late. It's like 10:18. It's not the worst. 10:30 reversal kind of thing. But I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll need more confirmations. Can't be just trying to predict the future. It's Joper. If all markets continue higher, I mean, they just continue higher, I guess. It's not really much to it. We tried, and that's what matters. Okay. Alright. I'm pretty confident I'm gonna get stopped out. After I get stopped out, probably just gonna chill and wait a bit. And I don't know. Maybe just all right. This is hurting my eyes. But yeah, you guys know the general plan. It looks like we're just chopping upwards. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm low risk, so I don't mind. Um, I wouldn't necessarily look for any other opportunities right now, but actually, yeah, no. I just need to take one bullet. If it takes L, I'm gonna wait until see what CPI does tomorrow. So I'm gonna hop off, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good day. Please be safe. I'll notify people in the Discord if I see anything interesting else, but this is gonna be our one bull for the day. It doesn't look like it's gonna hold, which is fine. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace, guys. Laters. And Jason, if you're still in the chat, have a good vacation. Peace.